In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Expensify accounts. If you've ever ended up with more than one Expensify login, maybe one for personal use and another for work, merging them is a great way to simplify your life. It lets you bring everything together so you only have one place to manage your expenses, reports, and settings. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps on screen, and I'll also point out a few important things to keep in mind before you confirm the merge. Start by opening Expensify and signing into the account that you want to keep as your main account. This will be the account you'll use going forward after the merge is complete. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation area and click on Accounts. This is where all of your core profile and settings options live, including the tools you need to manage security and linked accounts. From the Accounts section, find and click on Security. The security page is where you control things like your login methods, authentication options, and in this case, the account merge feature. Take a moment here to make sure you really are using the account you want to keep, because the merge process will move data from the other account into this one. On the security page, look for the option labeled Merge Accounts and click on it. This opens the dedicated merge screen. Expensify uses this page to confirm which second account you want to bring into your main one. You'll now see a field asking you to type in a phone number or email. Enter the phone number or email address that's associated with the other Expensify account you'd like to merge. Double check what you type here. It needs to match the login details of the account you're trying to combine with your main one. Below that, you'll see a statement explaining that this action is not reversible. Click on the checkbox or button that says you understand this is not reversible. This is an important confirmation because once the accounts are merged, you can't undo it or separate them again. Make sure you're fully comfortable with which account will remain as the primary one. When you're ready, click on Next. Expensify may prompt you to verify ownership of the other account, usually by sending a code or confirmation to the email or phone you entered.